Hello everyone. Hello. I hope you all can hear me. Hello everyone. This is Jutika here from Bollywood Couch. So Bollywood Couch has started with this new initiative where we are going to invite guests from Bollywood and entertainment industry who are going to share their personal experience with our audience. Today we have got a special guest from Bollywood. She is an FTII graduate. She has worked not only in Bollywood film but also in South film industry. She has debuted with a Tamil film Balakuen. She has also worked in a Malayalam film which is going to be released very soon. She has also acted in Assamese films, also in Bengali films. In addition to films, she has also acted in various TV series, in various award-winning short films. So today we are going to have Urmila Mahanta with us, who is going to share her personal experience on how she prepares for her auditions. We all know that auditions are very much important for any kind of aspiring actors. So we are going to hear from Urmila how she has prepared herself and how she has cracked those auditions so that she could become a part of films like Padman, where she shared the screen with superstar Akshay Kumar and Sonam Kapoor. She has also acted with actors like Nawazuddin Siddiqui and Sonakshi Sinha. So let's hear her out. Let's see how she has prepared herself. Gone through all those rigorous R&D, rigorous tasks to become a successful part of those films. So here with us, Urmila Mahanta. Thank you so much, Urmila, for being with us today. I'm sure all our audience and all our viewers will be benefited from your personal learning. So, as we all know that Urmila has not only acted in Bollywood or in Tollywood, she has also become a part of Tamil film industry or Malayalam film industry. So today we are going to know how she prepares herself for the auditions, especially for the Bollywood films that she has already been part of. So Urmila, over to you. Please share your experience.
Thank you so much for having me. It is absolute my pleasure to be here today with
Thank
you.
you.
And if you ask me how I prepare for the characters, the moment I get a call for an audition, I ask for the script and I go through the script first. Then I try to understand the character, the background of the character, the age of the character, the socio-political background of that character state, if she belongs from any specific place. So after that, if I get some questions regarding that script or the scene or the monologue, I ask the casting guy, and first I try to clear all the doubts about the character, and I try to I just check with that thing that if I'm on the right track, if whether I'm thinking correctly for the character or not. I try to clarify all those things first. Then I go ahead with the text. I read the text again and again. I try to understand what that character is trying to say, and I try to imply those 5 Ws of acting, like why, where, when. Those five actors are familiar with 5 Ws, so I try to get the answers for 5 Ws. Then I proceed with the lines. I always believe the lines or text is very important. First, you should understand the text. Secondly, you should remember the lines well that should look like that the character is saying the lines, because the character and actor both are the different individuals. But while acting, I need to become that character. For that, I need to understand of the psychic of the character, the way she thinks, the way she sees the world. I should understand that thing. At least I should try to understand that thing. That's how I proceed for the characters. And anywhere, if I get any doubts, the casting directors are always there to help you.
Yeah, most of the time we have seen you portraying characters which are very different than your real life. In real life, you are somebody who is very urban, who is living in a metro like Mumbai. But the
Yeah.
characters that you have portrayed in films like Padman and especially in Mountain Man, Manji the Mountain Man, you have portrayed those rural characters who are very much raw, who are very much rustic, who are very much rural, rural Indian characters. So
Right.
when you go to portray something which is you are not in your real life, so what kind of preparedness does it take? So can you please share experience of portraying the characters of Padman and Manji the Mountain Man film?
Mountain, the mountain. Yeah, it's really a nice question. Thank you for the question. For an actor, we should observe the things. Like India is like mostly we could see. I'm from Assam. I have seen villages there, but portraying a character for Padman, that character she belongs to MP. The villages are different everywhere. Like eastern villages are different, northern villages are different, and southern villages are different. So we should first. I always try to understand the nuances of the villages, the different differences. I try to figure out. Then I go through the character. I try to I start doing that R&D, the research for the background of the character. That's how I try to get the essence for the characters. And for that I need to see lots of movies. For that I need to update myself. For that I need to travel a lot, because traveling helps a lot to observe. Like the main point is observation. That's how we get to know about the different characters and cultures.
Yeah, like you audition is a very important filtration process for all the actors,
Yes.
especially in any kind of films, whether it is a Bengali films or a Tamil films or a Malayalam films or in Bollywood or anything. So, can you please share us that how does entire process work? Because we know that there are casting directors, whom you need to
Yes.
send your profile or your portfolio. And depending on your
Right.
portfolio, the casting directors are supposed to call you for an
Yes.
audition. So how does entire process work and how one needs to prepare oneself to face this thing?
See, there is no hard and fast rule for auditions, right?
Yes.
We all are different individuals. The process I work on, it doesn't matter. The same process will work for you. So it is very personal journey for yourself. You need to find the process which will suits you. Like see, rasas are same. 9 different rasas we have. The rasas are same, but circumstances, our backgrounds define those things, those rasas, how we'll express it, right? So
Yes.
the cultural background will play a vital role. How we are going to react to some certain emotions. Secondly, for actors like us who doesn't have any background, filmy family, or who doesn't have a godfather, we are our own. So we have to be very sensitive, very receptive, very we should have that observation skills in us, so that if we get a character uh, to portray, then we should be able to relate, connect with that character instantly. Or secondly, for that, uh, you need to read a lots of books. You need to go through some process, like those will be your personal processes, like how to express yourself in certain given circumstances, how to portray a character. And sorry, I just forgot the question. Can you please repeat the question again?
So I was asking that audition is a very important tool, a
Part.
filtration
Yes,
process
yes.
for any actor,
Yeah.
right?
Yes,
So
yes.
and auditions are sometimes it can be very much on the spot or it
Yes.
can be time consuming also. So one
Yes. Yeah.
aspiring actor, for an aspiring actor, how what would you like to say? How do you prepare yourself? Like
Okay.
we can consider the example of Padman maybe. So how
Yeah.
you
In the
have prepared yourself?
In the
and
very first
how you
question,
would crack it.
I have explained how I proceed for a character for a script. But secondly,
Yeah.
one main thing is there, that character or script should choose you. That is the first thing. When we give an audition, our director or casting director look for the character in view. For that, you need to understand the script or the character. If you understand the text, then you can portray. Initially, you should see the character in you, then only you can portray in front of the casting guy or in front of the director. So that is the most important part. You should figure out what can be the character, whether you can connect with that character or not. If there is no similarity in that character, then bring those essence into you, so that the casting director and director can see a glimpse of that character, what they are looking for. That is very important point. What I feel, what I believe.
Okay, okay. Thank you. Thank you for explaining. So the other thing which came to my mind, like,
Yeah.
as we were discussing yesterday, you have told me that in some circumstances, the auditions are very much spontaneous. It is on the
Yes.
spot,
We
where
won't get
the
time to
moment,
prepare. Huh.
yeah, the moment you go to the office of that particular casting director who have called you, so they will give you the lines on the spot and you will have to do it on the spot. So if something comes out of the blue on a very sudden thing, so how one should prepare for it?
I
How one
always
should face
believe
it? Face it.
I believe you need to have a proper training for that. If you want to be an actor, if you want to be a singer, like many people thinks acting is very easy. Just go in front of camera and say your lines, but that is not the acting. The first and foremost rule for an actor is do not act. Then
Yeah.
many can ask me the question, you are acting and you can't act. I said, yeah, you should be like that. But I believe with theory that we know one day we are going to die, but we live like we are never going to die. We are here forever. So that acting
Yes.
should be like that. You are acting, but that should not look like an act in front of the camera. You should be look like the character. For that, you need a training. For that, you need to brush up your talents. For that, you need to read lots of books. You need to watch lots of movies. For that, you need to meet the expertise. We should talk. We should interact. We should learn. Every single time you
Okay.
have to observe every single small things. That's how we can create a base for you. And once your base is strong, you can face anything. It doesn't matter if it is an audition or a shoot with a big star or with a newcomer.
Okay. Thank you. So the other thing, what we wanted to know, like, you were the only actor from Northeast who has got the opportunity to act in a film by world-renowned director Majid Majidi, right? So you were a part of
Yes,
the Beyond the Clouds film. So,
yes, yes,
Bollywood is something which is known for its commercial aspect. Bollywood is
yes.
known for its commercial films, whereas, Majid Majidi's films are very much intense and very much unique on its own way. So, what are the different kind of an exposure or different kind of learning experience you face while working with directors like Majid Majidi, please?
It was an experience. I can, the very special experience for me. It was like a beyond my dreams, because when I was in FTII, I got to see his films. Then only I got to see the international films, the classic cult films in the institute. When I saw his movies, when I read about him, it was like, oh my God, this is someone, like he's somewhere like we can, look up to.
The
All
sky.
actors, yes, look up to him. And I never ever thought in my wildest dream I could get a chance to meet that person. But God is so kind to me that I got a chance to work with him right under his direction in Beyond the Clouds. Though I portrayed a small part in that movie, but that was an experience whom I could say like it will it will be very special
Once in a
for
lifetime.
once in a lifetime. It will be very special for me. And because when I saw him, I was just looking at him. He's the director who made people look so natural in front of
Yes.
camera. You won't believe that people are acting in front of camera. It will be like he's the person only. I'm seeing the person, not the character. That is something, that is the height of, creativity or acting, whatever you call. When I got a chance to work with him, and I was fortunate enough that the casting director Hanit Rehan, his assistant called me for. He said, "Ki there is a character. Would you like to play?" I said, "Yeah, why not?" This is for Majid Majidi film. I said, "What?" Well, yeah, Majid Majidi's film. Okay, okay, just call me. I can stand there in the crowd also. He was laughing. Then say, "No, you no need to stand in the crowd. Sir is asking for some photographs. Could you please send your recent current look? Just click now and send it to me." Immediately, I asked my
No
sister,
makeup,
yeah,
no makeup.
no makeup, no costumes, nothing. The way you are now at your home, just click a picture, send it to me. So
Wow.
I asked my sister, Munmi, I asked her, please click some good pictures of mine. Okay. Then she said, just wear makeup and all. I don't need makeup and all, no costume, just click. Then I click few pictures, I sent it to that casting guy. After a few days, he called ki Majid sir selected you for a character. I said, what? Like, yeah, he selected you, just come for the shooting. I didn't have to give the audition for that film Beyond the Clouds.
Oh,
But when I
amazing.
was on set, yeah, sir called us. With other actors also, sir called us, and they have given us the scene. Before that, I didn't get the scene. On spot, I got the scene. I played a nurse in that movie. If you have seen the movie, so I had a scene with Ishan. So sir asked his assistant, because he can't speak English and other languages. So he asked his associate director that ask her to act. At that moment, I acted. And you won't believe that was a moment that sir said one thing, ki, okay, I thought this way, the way she did the actions. So that was like that was the precious moment for me. Like, if I could connect with his, idea of that character,
Vision.
idea of the scene, his visual. So that's how I, acted in that film. I have observed one thing, that he is very specific for his actors, his characters, his scenes. He is very, very, very particular about everything. He is into detailings. Like, I was wearing a white dress. So sir called us and said, I do not want this shade. Give me some different shades of white. Like that kind of
Mm.
detailing he always work on that. So I was amazed, like, for us white is white, but for him, like,
Yeah.
he told his assistant, I need a brighter white, because she is the new new intern in this hospital, so she
Recruiting.
should, yeah, she should look fresh, and her
So
dress
her
should
uniform
look,
should be, yeah, her uniform
reflect
should be
that thing,
new.
yeah. Then I understood, I learned things from him, like, yeah, the,
Minuteness.
shades, the detailing does matter. I know that you need detailings for your performances, but I never thought for the costumes and all, like, that can also reflect the character, that can, establish a character in front of the audience.
Oh, that's absolutely amazing. Even,
Yeah.
I'm getting my goosebumps when I was listening to you. So the other thing that we wanted to know from you, like, you have debuted in a Tamil film, Balakkovan, right,
Yes.
which is a national
Vadak
award-winning film.
Vadakiyan.
But yeah, I'm so sorry for the
No,
pronunciation.
no.
You have
It's okay.
you have also acted in a Malayalam film, Rasgulla, which is awaiting
That's
for
good.
its release. So,
Yeah.
but you are someone who is born and brought up in Assam, who studied in Pune, and now based in Mumbai, right?
Yeah.
So your professional life is in Mumbai. So a person from Assam living in the western part of this country and working in the southern part of the country. So how challenging it was for you to prepare the character of Jyoti, or say for the upcoming film, Malayalam film? Because
Uh,
language is also a barrier, right?
it is initially, it was actually, not now. Because thanks to Balaji Shaktivel sir, thanks for the Tamil debut. It was very difficult for me, because before Vadakiyan, I never been to Tamil Nadu. For the audition of Vadakiyan, I went to Chennai for the first time in my life. and the audition was totally different. What we do basically in Bombay, they will send you a script, or they will call you in the office and they will give you script. Then you have to mark the lines, prepare yourself, and give the audition. But for Barakian, it was totally different. I was from Assam. That time I was studying in FTI. I was in first year in FTI. That time I got my first break. So I went to Chennai. Then Balaji sir called me in his office and he said, "We are going to take your auditions, but you have to go to the real locations. Our associate directors and assistant directors will follow you there with their hidden cameras. Will be given and one-liner, and you have to perform." So that was a new experience for me because I didn't know the language. I don't understand the culture at the time, at the period of audition. So, and I didn't even have a script for the audition. I didn't know about the character. So it was very difficult for me. The associate director comes to me. He will give one liner that he's your co-actor and we guys have to do a romantic scene. That is the brief for the audition, and now we have to improvise. And I had a very funny incident at that time because the guy with whom I supposed to perform a romantic scene, he happened to be a typical Tamil guy who came from a village, and he has no idea about the other languages like English or Hindi. And I was someone who has no idea about the Tamil language. I didn't even understand a single word of Tamil. So we had to perform a romantic scene. Initially, I didn't know he doesn't know the other languages. I tried in English. So he didn't react. I thought, what happened? Then I realized, okay, he might not understand. Let me try my luck with Hindi. Then I started speaking in Hindi, and his expression was like this, was looking like this. Then I got to know, okay, he's not getting what I'm saying. Then he started talking in Tamil, and everything was going like this. Like I didn't get anything what he's saying. I was just
Bouncer.
looking at his face. It was like, yeah, bouncer, the exact word. Then I thought, okay, this is my audition. I have to act. I cannot, depend on him. But when you are two characters are there, so the give and take has to be there, na? Otherwise, how could you perform a romantic scene? That was very tough moment for me at the time. But then I realized he's talking in Tamil. He is not getting English or Hindi. Then I also have a mother tongue. Okay, so okay, let me try my hand in my mother tongue. He was talking in Tamil, and I was giving my responses in Assamese. Can you believe that for a Tamil movie? So, but I kept one thing, like I remember one thing, I have to give the emotions, like romantic expressions I have to give. Rest, I was talking like this. Okay, what do you think? You only have a mother tongue. অসমীয়াতে কৈছো বাৰু মই তাক লিটাৰেলি এনেকে কৈছিলো যে অকল তুমি যদি মাদাৰ টাঙত কথা পাতিব পাৰা মোৰো মাদাৰ টাং আছে ময়ো অসমীয়াতে কথা পাতিম দেই. But I was speaking in English and I was giving the expressions like romantic, oh how sweet, yes we have some connections. I tried my level best. I don't know how it came, but after a couple of rounds of auditions in real locations, I landed into that film, Barakian. And you won't believe we didn't get the script for the shooting, before the shooting. Like sir believes like, if I give you the script, you will lose that, spontaneity on spot. That's what he thinks. But for an actor, it is difficult because I'm acting in front of you. I don't have any idea about the character. I was playing a typical slum dweller. I'd never been there. He sent me before 2 days. We started for shooting. So I went there. I tried my level best to observe few things from those, Tamil dwellers. But I don't know. I thought those were 2 days were not enough to portray a lead character, But thanks to my director, thanks to my team, they supported me, they helped me, and that film gave me that strength and confidence that language is not a barrier anymore, and I can act in any languages. Like it is not at all a barrier for me.
It's such an amazing experience that you shared with us.
Yeah, it's a lifetime experience for me.
Yeah, because because that time you were not even following the language. Even the culture was utterly different
Yes.
than where you have brought up. and
Yes.
the person with whom you are supposed to act, he is also not understanding your language. He is not even
Yeah.
giving expression, but you still manage. So
And
that is the
secondly, every
credibility.
single time my heroes were different because so many people were there for the
Okay.
auditions. That was also another,
So this is
challenge for me.
incredible. We are so proud of you that you could make it. You could back
Thank you
that,
so much.
character of Jyoti,
All thanks
which
to
is like,
Balaji sir, actually.
yes, yes. So the credit goes to director as well, but we would like to give the equal credit to you also for portraying such intense character.
Thank
So
you so
anything
much.
that you would like to, share to the aspiring actors who are looking forward to make their career in acting or in, be it in Bollywood or Tollywood or wherever it is. So what is the advice, not advice, but suggestion that you would like to share with them?
If you want to be an actor, if you want to be a professional actor, then work on your skills. Like for an actor, our body is our instrument to keep your body fit and fine, and you have to be healthy. You have to be you know uh, you have to have that passion and patience. You should have these two things with you because Bollywood takes time. Sometimes it depends on your luck also. Sometimes you just landed in Mumbai and you can get a chance to work in a movie or serial or web series or whatever. But if you are not lucky enough, then you have to have the passion and
Question.
patience. Yeah, and don't practice matters. Practice makes the difference. Every single time you have to be prepared for auditions. Every single time you have to be prepared to give your best. You have to be ready to give your best. And as I told earlier, that you have to have a proper training for that acting or singing, whatever field you want to build your career. So, and hard work.
Yeah, there is
Yeah,
no substitute of hard work, right?
there is no
Uh,
substitute of hard work.
and Bollywood being a very competitive market, right?
It
It's
is
very, very
neck to
competitive
neck competition.
because, yeah, because we heard that, on a day, thousands of people come to Mumbai only to make their career in Bollywood.
Yeah.
And you being an outsider, making your own place in Bollywood. So what kind of challenges? It is not challenges. I know it is very challenging for everyone. It will be equally challenging for a director, for a costume designer, or maybe for an editor, or maybe for a musician, for everyone, I'm sure. But when you have decided to become a part of this competitive world, so which are the prerequisite preparation that you kept it to yourself, like mentally, how you have prepared to go through the journey, because the entire journey is very challenging to leave here, to create your own identity, to develop your own network, to prepare yourself, keeping aside all your challenges, you need to prepare yourself for the characters, for the auditions. So what kind of mental preparedness you kept it for yourself? Okay, look, whatever it may come, I am going to make this happen. So how you did that? How you did that?
See, when I was in FTI, I got into FTI, I cracked the exam there. Then I have decided to become a professional actor. And after having 2 years of training there, I understood that you have to be very strong mentally and physically, because while you are shooting
Absolutely.
it takes hell lot of energy to portray a character. For an actor to preparation also itself takes so much of energy, mental and physical energy. So you have to be very strong and you have to be very clear what you want. If you want to be into the films, then prepare that way. If you want to be in serials, that preparation will be little different. For television, for ads, it's different. So you have to be very clear and specific, like what I want to do. You have to be clear with that. You should go for the audition regularly, give the audition and forget. Because initially what happened, we start hoping like I gave a good audition, I might get the role, that hope will be always there, but try to be hopeless in that particular matter. Because if you won't get selected after a good audition, you feel bad. And we artists are very sensitive and very emotional in that way. So we should be strong emotionally also. Like, make one thing very clear in your mind: it is going to take time. It doesn't matter how good I am. Every single time I have to prove myself, I have to prove my worth uh, at that given period of time.
Time.
Yeah.
Yes.
So time matters. You have to be there in the right time. You have to be there in the right time. The time matters. Time factor matters a lot
Yeah.
for us.
They say right
Sometimes,
place, right time. Yeah.
yeah, right time. And secondly, it's like I always compare this with the cricket match. You have to, if you are, if you can stay there for a longer time on crease, then only you can hit the six in the right ball. You have to wait for the right ball
Absolutely.
to
Come to
uh,
you.
yes, come to you, and then only you can execute 1 4 or 6. So फील्ड में रहना जरूरी है. सिक्सर
बिल्कुल.
लगाने के लिए फील्ड में रहना जरूरी है. एंड उसके लिए बहुत हिम्मत चाहिए. यू नीड and if you have a supportive family, I have a very supportive family. You are there, the Munu is there, my entire family is very supportive. That matters a lot, because if your family understands you, then you don't need anything else. You need a good friend. At least you have to have one single friend who understand you properly, who will not judge you if you are failing, or if you are doing something wrong. He will not accuse you. He will try to guide you. He will be always there to support you. You need a family or a friend to support you, to understand you, and just keep going. I always believe in that theory. Just keep going. There is no other alternative.
Thank you so much. Thanks for your today's time. Thanks for sharing your valuable inputs. I'm sure all the audience and all our viewers today will be benefited from your experience. So
Right. Would you
now we
like to
will
take
take
some
few.
questions? Okay.
Yeah. I was about to say, now,
Okay.
we have got many questions on the comments part. I will just scroll it down and I will ask you, I will select few and I will ask you some questions.
I don't play PUBG. Sorry.
Yeah, people are asking if you are playing PUBG, if you play Candy Crush. Mr. R. Badri is saying that it's a great interview. Thank you so much, R. Badri. Thank you so much for, being there.
Thank you
So,
so much.
so some people are appreciating you for making your own identity in Bollywood. They
Thank you so
have,
much.
praised you. So they are mainly, asking questions for auditions, how, tough it is mentally as well as physically for any actor, especially for the
Auditions.
newcomers.
Yeah, it is a
Yeah,
pressure actually. And you should know how to handle the pressure. you know because the moment we get the script, we get some anxiety, like audition anxiety. We get anxious, like, I don't know, oh my god, what I'm gonna do, whether I will be the best or not. Every time we actors have that thing. Initially I also had it. We always try to impress the a casting director, but don't try to impress. Just try to bring something which will surprise them rather than impress them. As an actor, you have to
okay.
you have to have the surprise element. You have to give
Oh,
something that he will think, okay, we never thought in that way. He gave something different. It doesn't matter it is good or bad. So try to be spontaneous. And I always believe that acting or this creative field has some magic. Sometimes if you connect to the character, if you connect to the given text, magic happens. And for that, you need to be relaxed mentally and physically. If you are relaxed, then only your brain will work. So always remember that. Don't take any tensions. It will come, but accept it. Okay, I'm tense now. The moment you will accept it, it will vanish. Trust me, it will work.
okay. Yeah,
I think it might help you.
yeah. So
This
one
is what
more
I do.
audience have, Okay, understood. Thank you. So one more audience has asked the questions on nepotism, which is the
Okay.
talk of the town now. So he's asking, does nepotism affect outsiders?
See, it is my personal observation. I don't like to call us outsider. Why outsider? It is Bollywood.
Absolutely,
It is the
absolutely. That is very positive.
mainstream. It is mainstream industry. We are part of India. We are not outsiders. Please, we are insiders only. Maybe we are not
And this
from
is our
Bombay.
industry. Yeah,
Yeah, this
yeah,
is
it's our
our, because
industry.
movies are made in Hindi. Hindi is the national language. How could you
Absolutely,
call
yes.
yourself as an outsider? This is my observation. Secondly, yeah,
This
nepotism
is
is
very
there.
inspiring to me.
Yeah, it is not only in Bollywood. In every single where there is nepotism. If you'll go back to your school days, if you have a teacher who has a daughter in your class, you could see the nepotism there. Sorry to say. I have observed that. Like, so nepotism is everywhere, in politics, in corporate world, in films. But
Exactly.
thinking of nepotism, we cannot sit. We have to walk. We have to work hard. We have to be very focused. What I want, I have to work for that. Yeah, sometimes it happens because of, they call audition, casting directors calls us, we give our best in the auditions. Later on we get to know that they have casted some known face in for the particular character. Then still I feel bad, because it's like, wasting your time, wasting your energy. You should not call us, na, if you do, if you're looking for someone who is, already famous,
Already
already a star kid,
established.
or whatever it is. Yeah, in that way, it is not right to,
It
waste your
demotivates you a
time. It
little.
demotivates you, because we are someone, most of the people who came from a middle class background, sustaining in Mumbai is very tough if you do not have a support from your family. I have survived
Absolutely.
in Mumbai 9 years because of my younger sister. You know better. Initially, I was with you for 1 or 2 years. So I had that, luxury. My family support was there, but everybody doesn't have that, luxury or liberty to, spend their money just like that to go and come for the auditions. And after a good audition, you are not selected because they are looking for some, known faces. I think that is quite sad part of, Bollywood.
Yes,
But
yes.
this is the way. This is the way. This is the, reality. You have to accept it. You have to
Yeah,
go
so we
through the
have got
process again and again.
Mr. Amit. He is asking us, what compliment do you have for Sushant Singh Rajput's acting? Being a part of Bollywood, what would you like to say
He
for his
he
acting?
he was wonderful actor. He was a wonderful human being, and I have seen his movie Dhoni. The way he portrayed, see, portraying icon is a challenge, and Dhoni is one of the biggest icon we have. Cricket is worship for Indians. Like, he was
Yeah.
portraying Dhoni, the way he prepared himself. If you see long shots of, playing cricket, I'm talking about Sushant Singh, you can't, differentiate whether he is the actor or he is the real Dhoni. I think he was extraordinary, actor, and he had potential. He came from a middle class family. He was a background dancer. Then he did a serial. Then he started working on films. Then he became a star. He was a self-made, very talented actor. We have lost. Like, it's very sad. Very sad.
Yeah, it's a big loss to all of
It
us,
is
to the
a
entire
big loss
industry,
for people like
for the
us.
entire country.
He
Yeah.
he is an inspiration for people like us, and he will be always, I'm sure.
Yeah, so another audience, we have Mr. Jigras. He is asking about your upcoming project. So, what would you like to share on your upcoming projects?
Yeah, I have one Malayalam movie. It's called Rasgulla. Then I have one Bollywood movie. It's called Pavai, based based on Pavai actually. That's why it's the name is Pavai. Then
Oh,
I have
great.
four, yeah, I have four Assamese movies to be released, like Hubala, based on Homen Borgohain sir's novel by the same name, Hubala. Then Across the Paddy Fields, then Guwahati Diaries, and O Prutiruddha, The Broken Arrows. Those are my upcoming films, and I have 2, 3 commercials, TV series. One is with Rohit Sharma, the hitman of Indian cricket, and one is for South, Tamil Matrimony, yet to be released. Release.
Okay. So now the audience are praising your acting skill, they're praising your smile, they are praising your look for today. So I'm so thankful to everyone to be part of today's show.
Thank you
I'm
so
thankful to
much.
you on behalf of Bollywood Couch. We extend our heartiest thanks to you for making your time today. We also wish you all the very best for all your upcoming project and all your future endeavors. Thank you
Thank you
so
so
much for
much.
joining us today, and we will look forward to have continuous episodes with you so that all the aspiring actors, all the aspiring talents can be benefited from your personal learning. Thank you so much, Urmila, for your time. Thank you so much on behalf of
Thank
Bollywood
you.
Couch and everyone today.
Thank you so much. And I
Just one
hope my
last question.
experiences will help them, the aspiring actors. I really hope so.
Yeah, so just one. Mithun Devnath is asking anything in Bengali upcoming.
No, not
Many
yet. I'm
people are
so
joining
sorry.
now and asking.
I'm so
Okay.
sorry.
So
There
thank.
is no upcoming Bengali movies. I would love to act in Bengali movies because I love Bengali movies.
And Mr. Badri is, insisting you to smile. He has been repeatedly requesting you to smile. So please
Oh,
smile once. I'm sure
I'm
people would
smiling
love to see you
only.
smiling.
And yeah, I'm smiling. I'm laughing actually.
Yeah, so we are also so pleased to have you. In fact, I'm also smiling today. So it is a unique experience for a sister taking
Yeah,
interview
me.
of another sister. It's a
Yeah.
unique day for us, and it's a
Yes.
very,
I,
thanks to technologies, thanks to social media platforms, so that even if we are in Mumbai, but due to lockdown, we are unable to meet each other for such a long time. But
yeah.
social media has brought us together, and we could talk, and our other family members also can join and listen to us today. So thank you so
Yeah.
much. We will take a leave. Thank you so much,
Thank you so
everyone, for
much.
joining us today. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.
Thank you, everyone.
We,
Thank you so much
we
for
will
hearing
come
me.
back soon.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Bye bye.